Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to disable or turn off GitHub Git bash inside your VS Code. Git is a very important tool for creating projects, moving it to GitHub. But for some reason if you want to disable it, you can go to your user settings file inside your VS Code. Simply Control Shift P to open this command palette and simply open this user settings JSON file. And right here you need to add this snippet of code here, which is in double quotes. Just write git, and it has a property of get that enabled, and by default it's enabled, it's set to true. You can change it to false. So after making this change, just restart your editor, again open it, and in this easy way you can disable the git bash inside your VS Code. So go to your user settings files inside your VS Code, just add the snippet of code git.enabled to false. So this will disable the git bash inside your VS Code. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.